Hello viewers. After the gruesome and controversial Hagawnes case where a young daughter-in-law, it is alleged, committed suicide and some allege that she was killed for dowry, the Maratha community in Pune came together and took some important and crucial decisions where they had held in the meeting that from now onwards nobody in the Maratha community will be taking dowry from the bride or the groom side. We have some youngsters from the community will be talking to them and taking their views into considerations. Hello ma'am. Ma'am, your community took a decision where prohibited. Nobody will be taking dowry. How do you see this decision?
This is a good decision taken by this community, and it is our responsibility to support that decision, because under the Dowry Prohibition Act it is totally wrong to give and to take the dowry.
Ma'am, how do you see this decision?
Actually, we are pleased to listen this decision taken by the community, and we are welcome this decision with open hands. This decision leads to relief many parents and daughters. So we are hopeful.
Ma'am, do you see this relief for your community, the parents, especially the daughters and all?
हाँ, ये जो निर्णय लिया है मराठा समाज ने, तो वो उसके मतलब हम लोग उसका स्वागत करते हैं, हम लड़कियां, क्योंकि बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े शादी हम लोग देखते तो बहुत खर्चा होता है इसमें, तो ये जो निर्णय लिया है उसके अमल बजावनी भी वैसा होना चाहिए, यही हमारी अपेक्षा है.
मैम, हाउ डू यू see this decision?
वी आर वेलकम ऑन दिस डिसीजन. क्योंकि क्या हुआ है ना, पूरा मराठा कम्युनिटी जो है वो बीच बीच में अलग अलग से डिसीजन लेता है, बट ये होना ही चाहिए था, क्योंकि पूरा महाराष्ट्र ये फेस कर रहा है. जबकि वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, डाउरी हो गई, यानी कि स्त्रीधन जैसा एक्ट हो गया, ये दोनों भी अलग अलग है, बट उसमें से जो निकल है डाउरी का, जो वैष्णवी का जो इंसिडेंट दिखा महाराष्ट्र ने, वैसा ही इंसिडेंट कुछ साल पहले लातूर में मोहिनी भिसे के साथ भी हुआ था, बट उसकी शादी नहीं हुई थी, शादी के पहले उससे डाउरी मांगी थी. बट इसमें एक ये ऐसा समझ आता है कि मराठा कम्युनिटी ने जो डिसीजन लिया है उसका पूरा मराठा कम्युनिटी नहीं, पूरा महाराष्ट्र ने यह स्वीकारना चाहिए, क्योंकि इससे वजह से बहुत सारी डाउरी रुक जाएगी, ऐसा मुझे लगता है.
मैम, रिलीफ मिलेगा पेरेंट्स को, डॉटर्स को?
अभी इसकी अंमलबजावनी कैसे होगी उस पर बहुत सारे डिपेंड है, क्योंकि राजनीति के लोग जो है वो बड़े बड़े इवेंट करते हैं, मैरिज उनके लिए इवेंट हो गया, उसके बावजूद उसके कार्यकर्ता जो है वो भी इसको इवेंट करते हैं, क्योंकि उनका नेता वो उस शादी में आने वाला है, इसके लिए वो इवेंट करते हैं. सो ये जो अंमलबजावनी है जब तक हो नहीं सकती तो पर हम कुछ नहीं कह सकते. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कम्युनिटी की वजह से कि ये अंमलबजावनी 100% होनी चाहिए, तभी ये कुछ रुक सकता है महाराष्ट्र में.
How do you see this decision, and what would be needing to make this decision firm one?
We can see that only legal measures are insufficient to prohibit this kind of issues, because we have seen that the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961 is already enacted long time before, but still we have seen so many offences related to dowry, and many deaths, like many incidences like Vaishnavi Hagawne's death. So we feel that only legal measures are insufficient, so we need to make some social reforms and change in the thinking of thinking in the mindset of the society to prevent such incidents.
But you being a youngster, are you married?
No, I am still studying.
Okay, so will you be making awareness in your community about this decision?
Yes, absolutely. Now we have seen that yesterday also the meeting was held in Kalewadi, Pimpri Chinchwad area, where the similar decisions were considered which are taken in Ahilanagar's the day before meeting. So yes, we are actively participating in awareness related to this issue.
Okay, you being a boy and unmarried, one last question is कि when you are getting married, if your in-laws give you some gifts and all, would you be accepting that?
If we see this question in our criminal law, the gift given willfully is called as a stridhan, and stridhan is legal in our.
This is Zoeb Sheikh for News Dots Pune.